Hello again. You guys are ready? Yes, for another video. You guys are hyped up. I am so excited about these videos. Those division very fun. They can be little tricky, but they are very fun, and it will show you. Actually, I like division because it includes division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. Of numbers, and it is comprehensive. It takes in consideration many operations. Okay, um, so let's do another example today. But before that, we need to answer the last video's question. What is the 10th largest waterfall in the world? The 10th one is, it's right here. I wrote it down ahead of time. Okay, it's Gil Gilfossen. Gilfossen is right here. Gilfossen, as it is in Norway, and it is uh, 1,841 feet in drop from the top to the bottom. So that is the 10th largest waterfall in the world. Gjelfossen. It's in Norway. It's in Norway. Amazing. Norway has one, two, three, four, five largest uh, waterfalls in the world. Norway, a beautiful, nice people, good people, and nice, beautiful country. Norway, which is next to Denmark, Switzerland, Sweden, and close to Germany also. Okay, and I will, let's see, go back to our, let's go back to our lesson here, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, now let's see another example of, a division. Okay, I'm gonna get this down here, and we go from here. Okay, let's do another example. How about we divide 60? I like the number 60 for some reason. 60, okay, divided by, divided by, how about by 6? 60 by 6. Actually, because I want to make it easier for you. So actually what we're saying here is what? How many 6 are there in 60? How many 6 are there in 60? Okay. So let's try first number, 6. Okay. This 6 here. How many 6 are there in 6? 1 6, right? It's very obvious. So we put 1 here on top, okay, and then we multiply 1 times 6. Like I showed you last time, 1 times 6, we put it down right here, okay, and then we put 6 on the bottom of the top 6. So we subtract them. 6 minus 6 is 0. Right, 0. Okay, now we're not finished yet. We still have that 0 because we said it's 60, not 6. So we cannot ignore this 0 in the division. So we put 0 here, down here. We take it down here, 0. So how many 6 are in 0? 0, right? How many 6? How many 6 there is in 0? 0. So we put this 0 here on the top. 0 right here. Okay, so we have 10 on the top. And then we multiply this 0 here on the top times this 6. We have 0 times 6 is 0. And then we subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. So the answer is 10. 10. Okay? So 60 divided by 6 is 10. There is 10 sixes in 60. 10 sixes in 60. And that's how division. One more example. One more example. I know you guys are smart and it's really easy. Just follow the steps. You don't understand it, rewind the video. Rewind the video. Okay, how about, let's say, how about uh, 30, 30, how about 30 divided by let's say 15, 15, 15. Okay, 15. How many 15 in 30? Well, let's try 1, 115. Let's see. 1 on the top times 15, like I showed you to finish the answer. So 1 times 15 is 15. Okay, and then we subtract 30 minus 15. So we take 1 from here, and top over here is 2, and then we have 10. So we borrow 1 from this 3. So we have 10 over here, divide minus 5, which is 5. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 15. 30 minus 15 is 15. So since this 15 is, since this 15 is as the same number or the same value as this 15, so we add this one here, one more, because there's one more 15 here in 30. So we add one more here. So the answer, so we erase this one because there is one more room for one more, right? One more 15. One more 15. So on the top here is 2. Let's say 2, not 1. So let's see. So let's erase this and this. Okay, so we have 30 over 15 divided by 15. How many 15 in 30? So we tried 1, but there is room for one more 15, so we try 2. Okay, so we try 2. You know, sometimes you have to go to try a couple of things before you finish the division. Okay, so there is 2 15s and 30. So we'll multiply 2 times this 15, and the answer was 2 times 15 is 30. 2 times 15, which means what? 15 plus 15. 15 plus 15, and then we sub 2 times 15 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So that is your answer here, 2. 2. So 30 is what? 30 equal 15 times 2 times 2. So there is 2 15 and 30. 2 15 and 30. Okay, I will see you next video. I will see you next video, and you rewind the video if you have to. Thank you so much. I will see you next video.